Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. In last tutorial we discussed it is how to construct the V block body. Today we are going to construct is a U clamp. So for the U clamp, you can see that there is a front view and the top view is given. The front view is a section is like this. Now from here I will draw the two circle. So that have to dimension of that it is a circle. That circle dimension we have to know that it is a 46 outer one. Okay, the die is 46 and inner one is it is 46 is 5 and 5 means it is a total is 10. So 46 minus 10 is means it is 36 over there. So the two circle I am going to draw over here. So one is 46 mm. The before that I change it is a unit. So unit is in terms of millimeter and we can change it is a mass as a kilogram. So in a sketch, I'll draw this one is a 46 and another one is 36. Okay, once I constructed that one, now I'll take the distance from this point to up to over here. So now we know this is a our distance is it is a 4 mm. Now from this distance is become 50 automatically, and that distance is from this point to up to over here it is become it is a 50 mm, right? So now I take the distance from the midpoint. So there is a line command. So from this point to up to over here it is become 50 mm. And the next one, so this distance is what is 46, means it is 23, half is 23, and I will join this, it is a tangent. Similarly, the opposite side again for 23, and I will join this a tangent. Now unwanted line I am going to remove, so this is not required and this is also not required. So this line and this line is I am going to delete. Okay, so next another one. So that distance is it is given, it is total it is 5 and this distance is 4. So that become it is total is 9 mm. Next height will be it is 3 and this is again it is 4 mm, and I will join this up to here. Okay, so now I am joining this one up to this point. Okay, so you can see this one, so that is a 4 mm. So this distance is 9. So obviously I'm going to join this line to up to here. Okay, so that is a exact. So now similarly I have to go to the replica over here. So this is our height and this one is 4, this is 3, and I close this one, and remaining I'm going to trim out. Okay, so this is my half section is over. So next I will go for it is extrude. The amount of it is a 13 mm. Finish the sketch, extrude. I'll go to the both side. It will help to the image now. And further diagram and press OK. Now I can see this there is a top view, and the top view I'll take the distance is one plane I will construct, and that the plane is from the above, which is the 54 mm. Okay, so now I'll take it is a plane, so I'll take the offset plane, and it is a downward direction, so that is minus 54. Okay, and press OK. I select this is a up plane. This is my drawing plane, and I just change this. So I require this a center point. So next I project geometry. So for my reference purpose, and there is a rectangular size is given. The rectangular size is given. It is a, so this size have to identify. Now that size is given. So it is 13 by 13, because it is a complete is a rectangular size is given. So 13 by 13 I will draw it out here. It is not given, but I measure it is a 13 by 13. And finish the sketch. This is my top plane. Next I will make the extrude in the bottom, and distance is all. Okay, and press hold. So this is my plane, it is occur over there. Next they given it is a fillet, which is a 3 mm. You can see this is a 3 mm in both sides. It is a fillet, 3 mm of fillet. So here is also 3, this one also 3. Similarly, this is 3, and finally this one also 3. Okay, apply. Next we require, there is a hole over here. You can see the hole, the size is 4 and distance is throughout. So for that one I have to select this is my plane, select this the plane it is, and hole size is 4 mm. Finish the sketch and extrude. Distance is all, and cut. That's okay. So I will save this file. The file name it is a view clamp. Save. Okay, the file is saved. Okay. So now I will hide this plane. So this is my plane. I will hide this one, and the material it is made of, it is a cast steel. So I will go to the physical, and it is made of the cast steel. Okay, so this is my final view. Thank you for watching. In next tutorial we are going to discuss how to draw the fasteners in the last